My dear brothers and sisters of Goa spread all around the world. This is the first time I'm coming live about this video. The reason is, for the last few days, there are a lot of fake IDs in Goa which are trying to attack a normal person when they comment on certain Facebook. And this appeal goes to Mark Zuckerberg, who is the boss of Facebook. I just want to appeal to him to help us out to come clean about all these fake IDs that are being misused in Goa. सगळे गोंयकारांक आनीक एक फावट नमस्कार आनी म्हजो नमस्कार बाब मनोज परब हाकाय बी. केन्नाच लायव्ह येवचो ना म्हूण आसलो, केन्नाच वायरल कोचचो ना म्हूण आसलो, पूण फेसबुकार हांव खूब एक्टीव आहा. जायते पोस्ट जे मनोज आमकां आमचे नदरे मुखार हाडटा तेकाय जायते फावटी जेन्ना तेणें बरें काम करून दाखयता तेन्ना एप्रिशिएट केला, आनी जेन्ना ताजें कितें चुकता तेन्ना हांवें सदांच अटेम्प्ट केला ताका ताच्या वॉट्सॲप नंबराचेर कळोवन दिवपाक, बाबा मनोज हें तुजें चुकता म्हणून. कित्याक ताचेच फ्रेंडांनी म्हाका सजेस्ट केल्लें, सायमन तूं आमच्या लिडराक एटॅक कोत्ता, तें आमकां तुजें बरें दिसना, तुका तरी ताजें कितें चुकता दिसता जाल्यार ताका बरे भशेन वॉट्सॲपाचेर मॅसेज कर नाजाल्यार ताजे लागीं उलय. इनिशियली हांवें जायते ट्राय केले मनोजाक कॉन्टॅक्ट करपाक, एक दीस पासून तेणें म्हजे कॉल आन्सर करूंक ना. पूण तरी हांवें ताका टॅक्स्ट केलें, चॅट केलें आनी सांगलें, मनोज बाब दीस इज हाव इट शूड बी. तरूय म्हज्या कॉलाक केन्नाच रिस्पेक्ट दिवंक ना. आनी तरूय हांव ताका विचारूंक सोदतां, तुका डावट आसा जाल्यार आतांच हांव वॉट्सॲप तुका चॅट करून दाखयलां तें लोकांक दाखोवंक शकता. आनी आयचे म्हजे ह्या व्हिडिओचो टॉपीक असो आसा, एक रेमेडियस फेर्नांडीस म्हणून एक फेक आयडी गोंयान जी आसा ती सगळेच पोस्टांचेर शाणेपणां दाखयता आनी आमकां एटॅक करता. आनी तूं डिनाय करूंक शकना की हो सपोर्टर आरजीचो न्हय म्हणून. इवन ताचे डीपी जी फेस फेक आसा ताचे फाटल्यान कवर पिक्चर आसता तें तुजें आसता पोगो, म्हणटच तुज्यांनी डिनाय करपाक जायना तो फेक न्हय म्हणून. आनी खऱ्यांनीच सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार एक दीस सियानो सुआरेस तुजो बरो खोडेकांड सपोर्टर आनी बरो आरजी मेंबर, ताणें म्हाका सांगलां, सायमन आमी सगळे मानून घेतात ही रेमेडियस फेर्नांडीस म्हणटा ती गोंया फेक आयडी म्हणून, इवन मनोज परब मानून घेता म्हणून. हें सोत ओ फोट तें तूं आनी सियान सांगूंक शकतले. पूण म्हाका सियानान खूद सांगलां, सायमन ही फेक आयडी आमी जाणा, ही आरजी म्हणून तो दाखयता, आपूण आरजी सपोर्टर म्हणून दाखयता, पूण आमी ताका आयडेंटिफाय करूंक शकना. सो दीस वॉज द सब्जेक्ट. दीस इज हाव आय एम ऑन दीस व्हिडिओ टुडे, बिकॉज तुजेच भाशेन हांव पॉलिटिशियनांक केन्नाच केअर करचो ना. सोत ते सोत, फोट ती फोट. तांचे चामच्या तांची लाड खावपी मनीस आमी न्हय, इतलेंच हांव तुका सांगूंक शकता. आनी हांव आयज म्हजो मेन टॉपीक स्टार्ट करता. मनोज बाब, पयले सुवातेर तुका म्हजो खूब रिस्पेक्ट. खऱ्यांनीच सद्याक तरी गोंयान तुका लागतलो लिडर दिसना, कित्याक तुजो हांवें लास्ट जो एक व्हिडिओ पळयल्लो तो तुवें डिक्सन वाजाक तुवें जो कातरला तातूंत तुज्या वायट हांव कांयच म्हणना. ते दिसाक तुवें जो तुजो फायटींग स्पिरीट दाखयला त्या स्पिरिटाक लागून तूं खऱ्यांनीच गोंयांक बरो खोडेकांड स्पीकर आनी लिडरूय बी. द सब्जेक्ट मॅटर ऑफ योर इश्यूज इज अ डिबेटेबल मॅटर. इट्स नॉट दॅट एवरी इश्यू दॅट यू रेज आर गुड इश्यू. फॉर एक्झाम्पल IIT, if there are 100 people who oppose, it doesn't mean that IIT is opposed by the whole village. So under these circumstances, you will only have to challenge Viswajit Rane by fighting against him for the coming election. There is where you will prove whether IIT is wanted there or it's to be rejected. But a handful of people objecting doesn't mean it that way. So हांव सोजमतां तूं म्हजेर कांयच वायट धरचो ना म्हणून. आनी म्हाका तुजो हेल्प जाय ही जी आयडी आसा रेमेडियस फेर्नांडीस म्हूण ती आयडी म्हाका ताजे रूट्स कळोंक जाय तो कोण ऑपरेट करता ती. आनी हांवें 4-5 दीस जाले 5,000 इनाम दवरलो. कोणेंय म्हाका ती फेक आयडी तो मनीस कोण तो सांगचें म्हणून. 1127 ताचे फ्रेंड लिस्ट आहा, पूण एकलोय ताका पर्सनली ओळखोना म्हणूंक शकता. 1000 ताचे फ्रेंड लिस्ट आहा आनी एकलोय ताका पर्सनली ओळखोंक शकना म्हणून तूं म्हाका सांगूंक सोदता. सो आय जस्ट वॉन्ट टू कम टू द रूट्स ऑफ दीस इश्यू. ही जी फेक आयडी उजार करून तूं कितें सांगूंक सोदता की आमी तुका तुजें चुकता तेन्ना कांयच सांगप ना, तुमी आमकां सायलेंट करपाचें, आनी तुका दिसता की आमी हातीक कांकणां घातल्यात म्हणून. तुका दिसता दाखयतलो तूं आमच्या हातीक कांकणां आसात म्हणून. हें फकत घडयाळ आसा. सो म्हणटच मनोज बाब इतलें सांगूंक सोदता कितें कोत्ता बरें काम कोत्ता पूण आमचे कानान घालूंक चिंतिनाका. हांव तुका सगळे कडेन बऱ्या कामाक सपोर्ट कोत्ता. पोगो डेफिनेटली वी आर विथ यू, बट कॅन यू टेक माय सजेशन? कॅन यू मेक इट लायक दीस? म्हजो हांव, म्हजो पाय आनी म्हजो शेपाय. सो शेपाय आसा तिकासून स्टार्ट करुया. कोण गोंयकार खरो गोंयकार तो पळोवया आमी. हांव, म्हजो पाय आनी म्हजो पायचो शेपाय पासून. पूण तूं म्हजो पाय आनी म्हजो शेपायच कर. करुया पोगो बील. हांव MLA कोले फेवर मागता, चल पास करुया म्हणून बील. सो ओरिजिनल गोवन कोण गोंया जल्मला, ताची माय पाय कोण, तसले आमकां दाखोवपाची गरज ना. आमी तुजेर विश्वास दवरला, तूं एक बरो लिडर म्हणून. आमी तुज्या सांगाताक आसा. पयलेंच मनोज तुका उगडास आसतलो. हांवें तुका टेस्ट कोत्तालो, चॅक कोत्तालो. मनोज, दॅट घाटी वर्ड इज नॉट अ नायस वर्ड टू यूज फॉर अ ह्युमन बीइंग. फायनली वी आर ऑल घाटीज. आय एम अ घाटी in UK because I am from India originally. I am from Goa, so I am a Ghati here. I am working here. I keep my disciplines. गोंया घाटी इलिगल थिंग्स कोत्ता. फाटी तुवें UK पळोवंक ना आमचे गोंयकार मस्ती कोत्ता ते आसताच ते. आनी मायग्रंट म्हणटा तें उतर बरें डिसेंट दिसतालें म्हणून हांवें तुका सजेस्ट केलें. पूण खऱ्यांनीच हांवें तुका नोटीस केला त्या दिसांतल्यान तूं तें मायग्रंट उजार कोत्ता आनी घाटी उतर चडशें येवंक ना तुज्या तोंडांतल्यान. पूण तोरय पुसान मुडया जे कोण वायट कोत्ता ते घाटी, ते एक उतर घाट्यारसून येयल्ले म्हूण ते घाटी मुडलेले आमी. सो घाटी मुडया तेका आमी. पूण सगळ्याक न्हू, तेय बी ह्युमन बींग. आनी तुका हांव आनी एकूच उगडास कोत्ता मनोज बाब, इतलेंच मतीन दवर. आमी सगळे मनीस जे संवसारान आहात ते सगळे घाटी. वी आर मायग्रंट्स इन दीस वर्ल्ड. वन डे यू वील डाय, आय वील डाय. वी आर नॉट कम टू लिव इन दीस वर्ल्ड. सो वी आर मायग्रंट्स. We are all migrants. Don't try to insult them. They are not from Goa. They are from the other state. We are all citizens of the same country. Let them migrate anywhere in India to fill their stomachs. What wrong is there? आमी याचे मुझे फायनान्शियली डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स येले, मुझे थोडे दुकानी बोललेले जेन्ना हांवें म्हजी पासपोर्ट केली, जेन्ना हांवें म्हजें वोटींग रायट सरेंडर केलें. तुका दिसता आमकां काडीच ना, आमकां वंतोस कोन्ना. पूण सोण एकल्याचेर जेन्ना टायम बेड येता तेन्ना मनशाक गमता कित्या खातीर थोडी डिसिजन ते भाशेन जाता पळय ती. अजून तुका सांगता, हांव म्हजे तुजेर कितें ओपिनियन एक्सप्रेस कोता, बट तूं म्हज्या काळजान डेफिनेटली आसा. एक गूड लिडरशीप क्वॉलिटीज तुका आहा. खंयच्याय लिडराक चॅलेंज मारता हांव, तुका मॅच जातले जाल्यार ते. सो इतली बरी लिडरशीप आहा. डोंट लेट इट गो इन वेस्ट. डोंट लेट RG be a balloon wherein one day it will burst. And Manoj na, RG na, तशें जावंक जायना. It should be an organization belonging to all people. All should be part of it. Collective. Any decision should be collective. Manoj फ्युचराक कितें कोत्तलो? आमी आशेन रावपाचें? तूं गोंयकाराची पासून कोत्तलो? तूं गोंयकारांक घात केलो जाल्यार मागीर आमचें कितें? So I want a collective team to be a RG team. You can consider me a hardcore. तू म्हाका फुलांचो हार घायना जाल्यार चप्पलांचो हार घाल, but I will be a hardcore RG as and when I'm 100% convinced. But I have doubts which I'm trying to clarify. हांव लायव्ह येवचो नासलो. म्हाकाय तुमी त्यो फेक आयडी यूज करून तुमी जे म्हाका कितें म्हणूंक सोदता म्हज्या जिवितान कांय ना. म्हजी थोडी स्टोरी जाय जाल्यार हांव शिशिनीचो. I am a businessman for last 30 years, but in business we always have ups and downs. We come up, we fall down. I have seen it in my life. I have my 3 kids, I have my nice beautiful house, I had running business, my business were ups and down, and I am a risk taker, a gambler. I have done lot of activities. I will tell you one day, even Vijay Sardesai threatened me for a tender. This was 30 years back. Let him hear me. This was in Dattaraj Sadgaonkar's house, Vasco, when Dattaraj Sadgaonkar was the president of Goa Cricket Association, and the tender was for the gate collection and the catering services. पूण तुका दिसता हांव विजया सारख्या मनशाक भियेतलो तसले काळजाचो म्हणून? दत्तराजान म्हाका सांगलें, सायमन, यू बेटर टेक केअर ऑफ युअर लायफ बिकॉज देर इज अ गाय who may attack you while you go. I said, I don't care. If my tender is high, I should get it. I don't care about these guys. So, म्हजो ओपिनियन असो. एक तेंपार हांव जेन्ना दामोदरान शिकतालो तो कॉलेजीन शिकतालो, चोगलेन शिकतालो, एक धाकटीशी लॅम्ब्रेटा घेवन येतालो. आनी आतां तो हुंय आहा, स्वर्गार पावला. आनी आमी हुंय आहा, आमी मेहनत केली, जायना म्हणून पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट करून लंडन येयले. सो दीस इज वॉट. आता हांव तुका सदांच म्हणटा, एक बरो लिडर, बरें कोत्ता गोंयचे पासून, बट डोंट लेट देर बी एनी डाउट्स विच आर अनआन्सर्ड. लेट्स क्लॅरिफाय एवरीथिंग. तूं फाटीं रेजिनाल्दाक अटॅक कोत्तालो, ताचे फुडें तेच्या आदीं हांवूय ताका अटॅक कोत्तालो. आर्टिफिशियल कोत्ता, व्हायरल येता, सायदीशी ती पंचायत लेवलाची कामां, तोंड कातुरलें, व्हायरल केलो. शिमतोरीन कोण कोरोना डेथ जाले, तिंगाय व्हायरल केलो. आय टोल्ड हिम ऑन द फेस, straight. He answered my call. I said, you are doing good job, but don't be so artificial. People are smart. You can't get us carried away like this. Te disatsan, I am thankful to him because he has realized Simon has told me something and I should accept it. Nice human way of doing it. हांव जाणा डिक्सनान तुका अपमानाची उतरां केली आनी त्या दिसा तुका राग येवपाचो, सो हांव तुका कांयच ब्लेम करना. डिक्सनान मानून घेतलें म्हजें, सायमन म्हजें मातशें चुकलें. सो दिस इज द ह्युमन वे ऑफ सॉल्विंग इश्यूज. सांगलें तेणें स्ट्रेट म्हाका फोनार, सायमन म्हजें चुकलें, हांवें मातशें तेका अपमानाची उतरां उलयलीं. आनी ते प्रमाणे मनोज बाब, तुवें तेका जीं उतरां उलयल्यान, तुवें तेका जो कातोरला तुज्या उतरांनी, ताचे बायल, ताचे भुरग्यांक ते जे कमेंट्स ताचे उपरांत येयले ते वाचल्यार कितें दिसचें ना. सो यू वॉन्ट टू डिमोरलायज, you want to cut them to size. Has he not contributed something for Seafarers? He was not even the office bearer, he was not even the president, and he was doing something for the Seafarers. He is the ex-president, he is the founder of the Goan Seafarers Association of India. So still Manoj, to kite tori kotta no? Tu hi kotta, to hi kotta, everybody does. Let us take Pramod Sawant. Maybe he is not a good CM now. He was a good CM back, sometime back. About these corona issues, initially didn't he take it under control? करूंक ना तेणें बरे भशेन. ओके, त्याचे भितर आनी विश्वाजिता भितर कडेन कितें जातालें आसतलें, कित्याक तो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आनी this Pramod Sawant was dominating. It shouldn't have happened. But as a CM of the state, was he doing something wrong? Nothing wrong. Because finally, health minister ताचे सकल आसता आनी CM is a final man, responsible person, good or bad reflects on him. So he is a human being. भिवपाची गरज ना. This was his statement that failed. Okay, consider एक human being. Even now when I talk, I am talking for the first time. I have only come live once when Pratap Singh Rane insulted UK Goans by saying गोंयकार इंग्लंडाक टॉयलेट वयता म्हणून. तुका दिसता हो म्हजे लागीं सुसूंक जाल्लो म्हणून? रोगोत शिजलें त्या दिसाक आनी त्याच खातीर व्हायरल जाल्लो. पूण ताचे उपरांत केन्नाच ना. खाली फेसबुकार कमेंट्स मारता, आय एम फेसिंग. यू कॉल मी स्नेक इन द ग्रास. Snake in the grass is a regular comment that you give on me through these fake IDs. Let them answer me if I'm going wrong. Let me counter them. Let them counter me. This is the way you go. Snake in the grass. Snake is always a poisonous snake. आमचे हिंदू धर्मान snake आम्ही तांच्या गोडार पळोवंक ना. So how can you say snake in the grass? What do you mean? What does your supporters mean? Where am I going wrong? Tell me, where am I going wrong? Let Goans know. If I say something against you, you are a snake in the grass. This is what you mean? This is what you teach? This is the type of team of people you have? Now about the development that happens in Goa. I understand there are issues wherein people have objections. But there are issues which are for the development purpose. People don't realize. Now for example, long-term planning. Government is not one person. It is a continuous process. Today you are the CM heading the government. In another 5-10 years different. So now if we don't plan it in a long-term perspective, then what happens? Let us take this issue of double tracking. In another 50 years or 100 years, can you and me imagine what is going to be? Have you been to Bombay? Have you seen a bridge one against the other and the next one coming against each other? This is because scarcity of land. But still, people have advanced. Science has advanced, so things are happening. Engineering has reached to that level. Even our Zuari bridge, which is happening, is a beautiful project. And migrant आता गोंयान लेबर मेळोंक ना एक बरो प्रोजेक्ट टाइम बाउंड फॉर एग्जांपल जुवारी ब्रिज हैज टू हैपन वी डोंट हैव लेबर सो वी डिले द प्रोजेक्ट एंड व्हाट इफ द करंट ब्रिज कोलैप्सेस total divide south Goa north Goa total divide so the project doesn't have to go at a pace that is required because it's a need of the hour and there are skilled laborers who are hired from other state and we just say gati migrant not wanted. How is it possible? नुस्त्याच्यो बोट्यो आसात कोणूय आमचे कुणबी गावडी आदले जे आमचे गोंयकार ओरिजिनल गोंयकार जी जात आनी कात जी आहा ती बोटीर काम करपी आहा नुस्तें मेवतले आमकां सवाय भितर गोंयचो लेबर आमच्या घरांत चिंचोणे गांवान आमची सदांची रेग्युलर येतात गोवानी बायलां 1000 वर्क फॉर 7 hours and if we get for 700 both of a lady and a man working, am I not going to go for it? So this is what so थोडे मरे मनोज बाब इकॉनॉमिक्स म्हणटा ते सोजमोवपाक जाय हांव जाणा यू आर अ गुड लीडर आय एम देर बट लेट अस कलेक्टिवली डिसाइड मुगे एक दीस तरी फोन आन्सर कर मरे मिस्ड कॉल दाखोवंक जाय तुका तुजे फोनार पळय नाव अबाउट लेट अस कम टू दिस पॉइंट नाव हांव इतलो आज काळजांतल्यान कित्याक उलोवंक पावलो हो जो आमचो रेमेडियस फेर्नांडीस जो आहा he was using a UK WhatsApp number and the number is 0044 is the code 7922593991 आणि सियान फेर्नांडीस सियान सुवारीस तुजो गोट खांबो आमच्या क्रिस्तावांचे भितर तो तुजो गोट खांबो ताणें म्हाका सांगलें सायमन एक दीस तुवें एलिगेशन केल्लें तें आमचो कोण तरी आरजी मेंबर तुका पयशांक अपील करतालो तो कोण काय खंय हांवें सांगलें हो तो रेमेडियस फेर्नांडीस आनी दिस इज द नंबर म्हूण आनी तेणें तुका मेसेज पावयली आनी त्या दिसाच्यान बंद मरे तो फोन नाव आय एम ट्रायिंग टू कॉल हिम चॅट हिम I can't get him. What does it mean? The message has gone to you through CNO and that particular day the phone is stopped. Coincident? कसले coincident? पिशेपणा आमकां शिकयता चोय चुकता. Okay? Can you investigate on this ID now? Remedios Fernandez? I have even appealed to the boss of the Facebook, Mr. Mark Zuckerberg. I have sent him on the message that this is the guy. Can you investigate Taimuna? And he is still active. That Remedios Fernandez ID is still active. आजपासून क्वेश्चन करता हांवें 5 असले ते 10,000 दिले आयज. Anybody come forward म्हण to tell me this is the guy म्हण. And one of my friend by name Cruz Fernandez from Australia is telling me, Simon, I can contribute something. Go up म्हण. So can I make it 15,000 now? You know it is fake ID of RG. Can you openly come and tell me? I can give you the WhatsApp number. Let us go to the roots. Let us go to the roots. And this Remedios Fernandez was appealing to me for funds to buy second-hand tractors for South Goa. And all these screenshots of his chats I have sent to your phone number. Do you want me to show it to all my people in Goa? So don't attack me unnecessarily, okay? Let us catch hold of each other's hand. Let us fight for Goa. Everybody is failing in life. You are calling them dalals. Is this the right word to use? Is this the right word to use? If you was occupying a chair of a MLA, you are not an elected representative. You don't have a mandate of majority. So you call them dalals? All 40 dalals? And now you're going to send them all 40 home? You have this capacity? I'm challenging you, I'm betting you, 30 of them are coming back in the assembly for the coming elections. And I have my good wishes to you to contest again Viswajit. If not, go for a safe seat so that at least you represent RG in the next assembly. Don't take a risk here because Elvis Gomes of Aam Aadmi has failed in Goa. Miserably failed. Even the leader failed. So this should not happen to you. You are my good friend. Let us be friends. We fought against each other. Let us take it as past. Let us join hands. You can come viral. You think I cannot come? I can also come. But I was having patience. But this bloody ID, Remedios Fernandez, is disturbing peace of everybody and I don't care. But Manoj, Karzan Mare Horpotale, I wanted to answer you. I know Dixon has gone wrong somewhere. I know Reginald has gone wrong. I know you call me Churchill's friend. Churchill has got two black spots in his life. One is about the smuggling and the second is about the corruption. Louis Berger. He poor fellow doesn't know even the word Berger. He said burger. We have to understand his educational background. But do you know his contribution for Goa? Do you know his life was at risk when we were fighting the issue of Konkani Marathi agitation? Do you know he was ordered to be shot by Pratap Singh Rane? He was ordered to be shot because he was fighting for Konkani. So these were not his sacrifices. He is not a good human being. Doesn't he have a following? He got defeated, he got elected. So it's a mandate of the people. We have to respect. When you say they are all 40 dalals, you are insulting everybody. You are insulting everybody in Goa. Because we get them elected. Have you in your life got elected anywhere? I have got elected in my college time. I have got my wife as a deputy sarpanch of my village. But I haven't fought. I was once proposed to be a candidate. And that time Philip was nowhere. Philip was like this and he is still like this. We took him to Churchill and it was a UGDP ticket where he lost. And from the next subsequent elections, all 4 times he won with my support. And I went against him for one election. I made Benjamin De Silva as the MLA of our constituency. And now can I describe you what Philip is? He has got a very powerful remote which I don't know is brought from which part of the world. Very sophisticated remote. And he controls our constituency on that remote. Ask anybody in my village, anybody in our constituency. He is sitting at home, he is at his place, people are beggars, people are going to beg, and he puts something, people go back, and that gratitude remains in heart, and they vote. This is bloody politics happening in Goa. So we have to accept, if we want to defeat, we want to defeat them. Take a name of Kalangood MLA. Take a name of Babu Asgaonkar, Babu Kaudekar, Eklo Modkekar, Eklo the show must go on. And corruption is the main thing that he wanted positions for. Is he fit enough for any position? Michael Logo Portuguese म्हणून आमकां अटॅक करता. अरे तेजो पाय आमकां पोसता गोंयान. ताचो पाय आमच्या पोटाची केअर घेवंक शकता. So Manoj, these are the bloody leaders we are having. Let us send them home. Let us send them to Chandra, wherever you want. Neptune, Mars. Let us send them to the sun and burn them. But how will we do it? Long time back, I remember during my college time, we had a chief election commissioner called T.N. Session. Very powerful man. He used to control election in India. And you know once what he said? Please elect good leaders. And if you can't find good leaders, you yourself is a good leader. So you contest, you win. And I will make arrangement even if 1,000 people want to contest with one particular assembly or a parliamentary seat. I am geared enough, Mudato. See the spirit that he was showing. Get good people. See the spirit. My respect and salute to him. He said, get good leaders. If you can't find good leaders, you are the best. Nobody is better than you. So you contest. I know you have a lot of things to say about Viswajit, and I also don't bother about him that he's a good leader. He has played bloody different types of politics. Pai, Congress, chair of BJP, Roy and Tezoi Pai, same. Congress is a sinking ship. Congress is headed by a guy who has never ever won an election in his life. And that Girish Chodankar was my classmate and my benchmate, was sitting next to me. अरे बाबा तुझे लागे थोड़ी इलेक्शन जिकोंग जाए ना, you cannot lead the party, leave the party. You cannot lead the party, leave the party. People don't understand. So now let us take, there is a wave anti-BJP. Let us take it. It's a wave anti-BJP. But who will do it? Who will send them home? So is it not a person like you, person like me, person like good leaders get together and do the job? You want your bill to be passed. There was not a single MLA who was ready to even propose or put up the bill in the assembly. So how will your agenda get through? What is your plan, my dear friend? What is your plan? You have a team in RG. You have a constitution, you say. Put it in black and white. You say your organization is registered. So once your organization is registered, your agenda, your objectives should all be submitted to the register department. So we know RG is this, RG has this in mind, or maybe RG will jump into politics. So we know everything very clearly, Manoj. Don't leave any doubts which are unanswered. And if you want to tell me, if you say that I am, taking side of any politician, I don't care. I am on my own feet, I am working hard, I am slogging. I am at the age of 56 struggling in this country in this cold weather. I don't care, don't try to relate me anywhere. Babush Monserrat promised that he will take out casinos 100 days, and now it's almost 100,000 days crossed. So this unperforming MLA should be sent home. But people stand by them. This is the tragedy. I and you will fight, people get them elected, and they are heroes again. And even in this 40, I'm telling you, 30 are coming back. So at least let us have these other 10 new faces. Let us give a fight. Let us put your agenda. Manoj, see how itlo garam javanu loilo. But personally, take it from me, from my heart, you are a best leader in Goa. But there are certain things which are debatable matters. Things need to be debated. Who did I leave out? Vijay, I told you. Vijay's politics is like this. It's not Goa forward, it's Vijay forward. Vijay's politics is like this. Who is that Bobe? In Santandre. Recently admitted in Goa forward. It's not that Goa forward will give him a backing. It is that Bobe has his own image. He can win it. So who is trying to take credit? It's Vijay. He's trying to use him. Vijay promoted Yuri Alemo in Konkoli when he was holding the Deputy Chief Ministership position. And tega bahar malto boros mallo. Kida he never even dreamt that there could be 10 Judas at a time. Kida amche dharman ek Judas and Jesu vito. सो यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड एक मनीस फुटींग जावंक शकता पूण 10 जाण एकठांय कलेक्टिवली फुटींग जाता कोण एकलो तरी फोडून दिना सिक्रेटू सो विजयाक मरे तें जें लेसन पडलां न्हू तें बरेंच पडलां डेफिनेटली आय एम हॅपी अबाउट दॅट डिसिजन बिकॉज ही नेवर ड्रीम्ड something like this 10 Judas can combine together split Congress and that also Congress legislative leader like Babu and all these people have got selfish interests they want BJP to be with them because they have black marks all these people for example I remember during Parikar time Parikar and Movin Budina jo gatollo nu te electrical scam and finally Parikara's cabinet and he's a member. So we know all these people. Have I left anybody so that you don't relate me? I don't care about your opposition, Viswajit. But if it does something good, I will stand. I will stand with you also. So I hope I'm not missing out anything and I'm not a very good, powerful speaker like you. Did I miss anything? And finally, see, at the end, Goa and Goans must win. We play football. We may play rough tactics, but finally whoever scores wins. So आता तूं झगडटा हांव झगडटा जायते गोंयकारां पासत कोत्ता मिनोत्यो पूण तेंचे सेल्फिश इंट्रस्ट आसता ते सायडीन दवरया पूण झगडटा न्हू आमी कितें तरी करूंक झगडटा न्हू तुजे मनान कितें आहा तें आमकां गमना तेंचे मनान कितें आहा तें आमकां गमना पूण एक स्पिरीट कितें गोंयकारां पासत सो फायनली लेट गोवा विन लेट गोवन्स विन let us develop the economy in such a way that yes there are job opportunities अरे आम्ही इतले 56 एजीचेर लंडनाक मरपाचें आमचे लागीं जाता ती जॉब जायना पूण कितें करतले आसा गोंयान स्कोप कोरोना टायमार आमकां जाणा तुमी UK गव्हर्नमेंट कितलो सपोर्ट करता तो ही नेवर लेट अस बी बेगर्स ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स ही सपोर्ट्स अस सो हे सपोर्ट दिवपाक दत्तक प्रमोद सावंताको जातले ते बुडले मरे रिणान गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट इज बुडला मरे सारको कितें आहा रे तेंचे लागीं टू सेव गोवा नथिंग दे हॅव सो मनोज ऑलमोस्ट आय कवर्ड एवरीथिंग आनी लेट मी नॉट कम बॅक यू कॅन आन्सर मी एज अ गुड फ्रेंड सायमन तुजें चुकलां हें चुकलां तें चुकलां सांग तूं हांव बरे भशेन सांग म्हाका हांव मानतलो ओके लेट मी ऑल्सो बी विथ यू एज वन ऑफ द RG फायटर एंड लेट अस यू नो सी आमचो तरी अजेंडा फुडें वतलो न्हू एसेंब्लीन पावोंकूच जाय सो एसेंब्लीन पावतलो तुमी इलेक्शनान उडी मारूंकूच जाय तुमी इलेक्शनाक वचून जाल्यार कशें जातलें रे तुजो अजेंडा हाव कॅन वी फुलफील द ड्रीम्स एंड विशीज एंड वी प्रॉमीस दीस दॅट यू हॅव टू कम ऑन द चेअर एंड सीट थोडे दीस आमचो फ्रेंड मरे चेचिलो थोडे वर्सां फाटीं CM जालो आनी तेका मरे हांवें फेरल फुट्टा तो म्हणटा तेका जिखून दाखयलें मुगे सपोर्टाचेर जेन्ना तो CM जालो हांवें देरा टक करून मारलें तेजे सेक्युरिटीन सांगलें सायमन म्हूण कोण येयला देर उगडूंक शकता आपूय म्हणूंक लागलो आनी हे भाशेन उबो रावलो सो असलो मरे सिंपल एंड हंबल मनीस आहा तेजे लायफान कितें आहा चुकलेलें हांव ना म्हणना पूण सिंपल हंबल दीज आर ह्युमन बिंग्स एक्चुली आसा तेंच्या लायफान कोणाच्या लायफान कितें ना तुजे म्हजे सगळ्यांच्या लायफान आसता सो मनोज हें घेवन मरे आमी मरोन मरे स्वर्गार पावचे ना We are all migrants in this world. We are all migrants. We all live this world. Okay? Now please, if I upload this on the YouTube, please share, like, subscribe. You are my friend. I will watch. Because मनोज जेन्ना म्हाका लायक मारतलो न्हू जिवाक बरें दिसतलें सायमनाचें कितें तरी लागलें मागीर तूं कमेंट मार सकयल कमेंट सेक्शनाचेर दिस इज रॉंग दिस इज वेरी फेल्ड कळ्ळें न्हू So Manoj, I have done everything. I don't think I missed out anything. This was what I was just recollecting in my last night's sleep. What should I speak? I cannot attack my friend Manoj because Manoj is a nice human being. We believe in you. जे दिसा तुवें डिक्सनाचेर व्हिडिओ काडलो न्हू वालोर तुका लिडरशिपाक यू मेड इट दॅट वे आनी ही तेणें सांगलें म्हाका डिक्सनान फोनार हांवें फोन मारलो तेका सायमन म्हजें चुकलें रे तेका राग येवपाक रिजन आहा सो ही इज अ ह्युमन बींग ही एक्सेप्टेड हिज फॉल्ट लेट अस ऑल्सो डू इट घेवन हूंय वयतले नेक्स्ट एसेंब्लीन कितें तरी दाखोवया मरे बरें हांव तुका हिंगाच रावन हांव इलेक्शनाचे 3 म्हयने पयलो येतलो आनी हांव तुका वेलीन कोण तरी न्यू फेस हाडून दाखोवं हांव बसोंक शकना कित्याक आमी पोर्चुगीज वी कॅनॉट गो ऑन द स्टेज एंड गिव स्पीचीस बिकॉज वी कांट डू इट. पूण मरे हांव गोंयान वयतलो मरे आनी पोड्डे ओडटलो हे पाटी कित्याक ना नो वोटींग रायट. पूण युकेक वोट मारता हांव, युकेक वोट मारता आनी घडटा जाल्यार एक दीस मोरोन गोंया येतलो, मोरोन गोंया करतलो आनी गोंयचे रायट आनी गोंयचे वोट परत घेतलो. चड देव बरें करूं तुकाय आनी सगळे म्हज्या गोंयकारांक सोजमता म्हजे लांब जावंक ना म्हण. आनी खंयच्याय पॉलिटिशियनाक तूं म्हाका रिलेट करूं नाका प्लीज. I don't care them like how you say. I don't care them. We are on our own feet. We work hard. My sons are there to support me. I can take care of my own self. We don't depend on them. But we respect it. We keep certain distance wherein I can easily call Pramod Sawant on the phone and he will answer it. I can call Reginald. But Manoj, I तुका खूब ट्राय केलो रे. एक तरी म्हजे कॉल आन्सर केला ना. टेक्स्ट मातशे 2-3 पाटी आन्सर केला तुवें. तुका हांवें कितें म्हणलें बरो फोडलो तुवें डिक्शनाक फोन आनी तुवें म्हणलां येस वी आर कम इन दीस वर्ल्ड एंड वी वील फायट इट आउट समथींग लायक दॅट. ऑल टेक्स्ट आर देर ऑन माय फोन. एवरीथिंग इज देर. ओके सो प्लीज एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम नाव ऑन प्लीज आन्सर मी. Let us clarify doubt. Let us make it peacefully. Let us have peace. I am not your enemy. Let us do it. Let us tell Goans. Yes, we all can be part of Uzo. आमचे क्रिस्तावांनी जाय तो उजो केलो आनी इवन मरे मनोज तुजो येतो असो एकलो भुरगो उजो काळजान पेटला उजो काळ बरें दिसता सी दॅट इमोशन्स कळ्ळें न्हू. आनी आमचे गोंयकार क्रिस्तांव इमोशनली चार्ज जाले घाटी. सो येस पोगो येस वी गॉट कॅरीड अवे बट देर आर डाउट्स. प्लीज क्लियर. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज अ लीगल डॉक्युमेंट. वी कांट एक्सीड इट. We have to be within the framework of constitution. Otherwise, NSA, National Security Act. We can't go against Constitution of India. Okay, brother. Thank you very much. Thank you, Goans. Bye. And I hope I was not very angry, but certain times sentiments come. Bye. See you. Love you, Goa. Love you, every Goan, any part of the world.